Hey there. In this quick video, I'm going to look and compare the Samsung S95d with the Sony Bravia 9. Like, what are the things that you actually need to know about both of these? So, primarily, when we are going to look here, the biggest difference is that you're going to have OLED and OLED. So now really depends on what you actually want and need and if what is your preference. So when we're going to look here on ratings.com, one of the best sites for comparing, I definitely recommend to check it out, is that what they found out is the usage for the TV shows, for the sports, for the video games and HDR movies and HDR gaming is similar, but it's also PC monitor is Samsung actually like dominating in a way the Sony Bravia 9. So this is a huge thing. Now when we're going to look here on some pictures, I wanted to show you like the differences. So picture quality, and you can see clearly a little bit here that the Samsung got a little bit better. Then also right here for the blooming, you can see a little bit that it's better. Then when we're going to look here, the HDR brightness on the other hand is kind of like similar, but Sony is winning there. Also kind of similar and kind of similar in both. The brightness too. So that's pretty much it. I just want to make this quick comparison. I hope it gave you a little bit of value of what I found out about both of these. Maybe it was like completely useless. If it was useless, I'm sorry. And have a great day and goodbye.